Wow! Guys, tingnan ninyo. May asin dito oh, sa lake, sa gitna ng bushland. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda ng mga bato oh. Malalapad, makikinis. Oh, para siyang ice. Lahat po yan ay asin. Ay, tigas.
Salty.
Hey!
Stuck to the bottom of it.
I have a taste. Can I have a taste? Very salty. It's really salt.
Believe me.
Yeah. All of this. Even the water, salty.
Yes. How you collect it is you make a little rake out of a piece of light wood, and you very gently drag the wood with a long handle across the top, and that scoops the salt along, leaving the mud behind, and then you gently shovel it up into a bag.
Wow, it's in the middle of the bushland. Look at that. Just beside the road.
Actually, this is called shale.
I want to taste the water.
Oh, it's the same as the salt.
Salty? Salty water? It's a bit soft here. Tingnan nga natin itong tubig. Huwag lang itong asin na tumitigas dito sa gilid. Uy, ang ganda ng bato nila. Oh, ang lalapad. Tingnan nyo. Ang lalapad. Ang ninipis. Hala, para siyang anong tawag dito? Chips. Looks like potato chips.
If we don't get mud all over.
Very salty, like seawater.
Yep.
Can I swallow this? No. It's hard, like cement. Ang tigas, para siyang simento. Hala, oh. Asim talaga siya, guys. Asim.